you still add materials to multiple objects manually like this, it will take a long time and be tedious. So you can do this instead. First, select some objects that you want to add the same material. Also select one of the objects that is the reference. Then, go to Object menu, select Link Transfer Data, and select Link Materials. And there you go. Also, if you have so much item, you can block or select all the item, and select again the reference one. And do the same thing like before. And there you go. Subscribe for more tips.